If you love making pantry staples at home and want a natural, budget-friendly alternative to store-bought sauces, this easy tomato sauce recipe is for you. Start by taking 5 kilograms of fresh tomatoes and cutting them into quarters, keeping the skins on. The skins add flavor and body to the sauce and will break down naturally as the tomatoes cook. Blend the tomatoes. Add the tomato puree into a large pot and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Allow the tomatoes to cook uncovered, letting most of the water evaporate. Stir occasionally to prevent the sauce from sticking or burning at the bottom of the pot. As the tomatoes reduce, they will break down and thicken into a deep, rich paste. Continue cooking until the mixture becomes thick, concentrated, and sauce-like in consistency. Once reduced, turn off the heat and allow the tomato paste to cool completely. Transfer the cooled sauce into a large, clean container and use the back of a spoon to level the surface. To preserve freshness, pour a thin layer of vegetable oil or a mixture of canola and olive oil over the top. This oil layer helps seal the surface and extend the shelf life of the homemade tomato sauce. Refrigerate and use when needed. And there you have it, rich homemade tomato sauce made from scratch, and it's perfect for everyday cooking. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade pantry staples, and let me know how you use your tomato sauce.